Hi everyone. In the last episode, we visited the Girnar Hills in cable car and went to Ambaji temple. Then I climbed and paid a visit to Sri Guru Dattatreya shrine. Next, we went to Ashoka's rock edicts to witness the writings of Emperor Ashoka. On the same day, we started our journey to Somnath around 1 pm. It's 2 o'clock right now and we reached Somnath. It took around 1.5 hours to reach from the Junagadh. We have come here to hotel. We'll have our lunch and maybe rest a bit, and then we'll go to Somnath Ji temple or any other location. It's 4:30 pm and we have come to visit the Somnath temple. We have left our camera and other electronic instrument in the car because it's not allowed. We are just carrying mobile because later we have to contact our driver. Since parking area is used, we won't know where he would be parking the car. So we are just carrying one mobile and we'll deposit it in the locker room. Time is around 5:15 now and we went inside the temple at 4:45. So you have to deposit your mobile phones and slippers here, and then you have to go in a queue, and this will lead you to the temple. There was no crowd at all inside. Queue system is maintained and it is very well maintained, but there were no crowd, so we hardly waited for 1 minute before we went in and had our darshan. You can even sit near the temple because they have made lot of spaces, and there is a large amount of benches and you can relax anywhere because the temple is just beside the sea also. And coming to the temple, I think everyone knows that this is one of the Jyotirlinga, and it is believed to be the first Jyotirlinga of all the 12. It was destroyed a lot of times by the invaders and it was rebuilt and rebuilt. The architecture of temple itself is so beautiful. You just want to sit near one of the bench and just look at the temple. You don't feel like coming out. Right now we just picked up our mobile phones and we are going to Ahilyabai temple. It is believed that Ahilyabai Holkar from the Marathas Empire, she was so frustrated that the Somnath temple was destroyed again and again. She took the task about building the temple by herself. So this is the Old Somnath Temple, which is just close by the newer Somnath Temple. Also, some believe that because the Somnath Temple was raided again and again and it was destroyed, so the original Jyotirling is still here. Unlike the newer Somnath Temple, here you can go inside and you can worship the Shivling yourself. We are going to our car. So there was absolutely no crowd here, and even in the Somnath Temple, the newer Somnath Temple, there was no crowd. We went around 4:45 and right now it is around 5:40. So we finished both the temples within 1 hour. So I am in Triveni Sangam right now, and this is the place where 3 rivers meet, which are Saraswati, Hiran and Kapila. The flow of the river and emptying in the Arabian Sea represents the stages of human birth, life and death. It is also believed that after Krishna was hit by an arrow after Mahabharata, this is the place he came, and this is supposed to be the burial ground of Lord Krishna. As you can see, the water level has increased so much, so that's why the boating is suspended. Otherwise there will be a boating and they will take you to the place where the 3 rivers meets. At a distance of 2 kilometers from Somnath temple, Golok Dham is located. It is a holy place situated on the banks of river Hiran. The footprint of Bhagwan Shri Krishna is carved here to mark the divine memory of the Lord Shri Krishna. He bathed in the Triveni Sangam and then left his body here. After being wounded by a hunter's arrow, Lord Krishna walked few kilometers towards this place from Bhalka Tirth. This is the place where Lord Krishna was shot in the leg by a hunter named Jara. The hunter saw the Krishna's leg and he thought it was a deer and shot it with an arrow. Later, when he realized that it was Lord Krishna, and he apologized, but Lord Krishna said that it is supposed to happen, pardoned him, said that in his incarnation as Lord Rama during the period of Ramayana, during the fight between Vali and Sugriva, Lord Rama had come from behind and shot Vali. Because of the fairness of it, Lord Rama had promised Vali that in his next incarnation as Lord Krishna, Vali will be able to make up for it. That is why in the incarnation as Lord Krishna, Vali in the form of a hunter named Jara had shot Lord Krishna. After being shot here, then Lord Krishna proceeded to the holy banks of the river Hiran. That is where he ended his last journey on earth. This is in a city called Veraval, which is 5 kilometers from the Somnath Temple. So if you come to Somnath, do come here and you can experience this history. And there is a beautiful idol of Lord Krishna here along with the hunter. So this is it for today. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up and add a comment. If you don't like the video, even then you can tell what you don't like about the video. I hope this video will be a good reference for you when you come to the Somnath. So we'll be going to our hotel now. We'll just have some dinner and go to hotel. Then tomorrow we'll be leaving for Gir. So we have booked 2 safaris. One is in the tomorrow evening and another is in the next day. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be leaving Somnath and we will be traveling to Satsang Gir. So till then, thank you for watching the video and I will see you guys tomorrow.